Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ida and this is Ida's Corner. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button right underneath this video. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I braid my two favorite Conrows on my hair. It's a protective hairstyle that is quick and easy, and also beginners can try it too. So I start by combing out my hair to detangle it, because as you can see, my hair is very coarse. Then I go ahead and pat a straight line from front to back and separate my hair into two sections. I do this hairstyle quite often to film my YouTube videos. If you take a look at my YouTube videos, you'll see that nearly all of my videos I have that hairstyle. For my school, interviews, and my everyday lifestyle or my everyday routine. I started my natural hair journey about 4 years ago. As soon as I turned 30, I was tired of relaxing my hair and I was worried about the long-term damages that the relaxer will do to it. Plus, I love seeing African American women rock their natural hair. I know it's not easy to maintain natural hair, especially when it's coarse like mine, but you will find a way to deal with it and maintain it. I start the braiding process by separating my hair into 3 strands. First, middle, and last. I braid it closer to my hairline and continue the braid to the back of my hair, making sure that when I get to my ears, I curve the braid towards the back section. Braiding hair can be a challenge for beginners. So I would say to start doing regular box braids first. Practice with that before doing these two Conrows. If you want me to show you how to actually braid, comment down below and I will try to make another video showing you how to braid. As my braid on my left side completes, I'm not going to braid it all the way to the end. I'm going to stop. I'm going to leave it out so I can create a puff at the end of the hairstyle. As I continue towards my right side of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did on my left side, which is combing out and detangling my hair, then separating it into 3 strands of hair and braiding it closer to my hairline and curve my way towards the back. Remember that braiding here is just like getting your eyebrows done. It will never be identical, but you can try to shoot for it. So as you can see, my 2 braids are completed. However, I'm gonna go ahead and put my finishing touches to it by combining the 2 braids together with my elastic hair band. After, I will go ahead and comb out my ends to create a puff. This is the end of my favorite 2 braids hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know, when did you start going natural and what is your favorite 2-go hairstyle. Thank you for watching Edith's Corner. If you want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.